Hi kids! Welcome back to the Fingeroozy channel. Today, we're going to draw a super cute flower in a pot. It's simple and fun. So grab your pencils and let's get started. Let's start by drawing the flower. Begin with a small circle in the middle. That's the center of the flower. Now, draw big round petals all around it, like soft little ovals. Beautiful! Instructive. Now draw a straight line going down from the flower. This is the stem that holds the flower tall and proud. Next, let's add 2 leaves, one on each side of the stem. Draw them like little curved ovals with a pointy end. Add a line in the center for the leaf vein. Instructive. Finally, let's draw the flower pot. Make a wide rectangle under the stem, then draw 2 slanted lines going down. Connect them with a curve at the bottom. Triumphant! There's our pot! Amazing! Your flower looks so pretty in its pot. Praising! Great work, little artist! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun drawings on the Fingeroozy channel. Warmly, bye-bye!